So this is how we can turn on the location on the iPad. Let's get started. So you open up the settings app of your iPad, and then you need to find the privacy and security section. It is part of the main settings page. So you just click on there and you have the location services right at the top of the list. So you're going to click on this, and the first option is to ensure that you have this turned on, like you need to have it enabled in order to adjust the following settings. But then when you have the locations turned on, then you can go app by app and decide which apps can access your location. So all of the apps you have installed and asked for the permission are right there. So if you give the app access to your location, you can revoke it and change it later right here, or you can also adjust the way it can access it. For example, you can go to Instagram, and there you have four options. So there is the never option, ask next time, only while using, and always. So for example, I like to set the weather location to always, right? Because I have the widgets and all of the alerts and everything, so perhaps that makes sense. But on some other apps which seemingly don't need my location, I like to turn it off to either never or when used. So that's how I like to do this. Let me know below in the comments if you found this tutorial useful. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later.